Hi everyone, welcome to Chef of Style. My name is Chef Michael. Today I am going to teach you how to make Jamaican spicy bun. Stay tuned. 3 cups of sifted all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking, 1 cup of brown sugar, half cups of allspice, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. You need 1 Guinness, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of molasses, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 lime zest, and 2 tablespoons of ginger. Add the Guinness, vanilla, the butter, fruits, baking powder, cinnamon. Now I'm gonna mix it well and give it a good mix. Finally, the bun is ready, and this is how it looks. From my kitchen to your dining table. My name is Chef Michael. See you on another Chef of Style World Cuisine video.